Hello everyone. You are all welcome to lecture number 580, and today's topic is the fruits and vegetables which are protecting us from virus and bacteria. Here, if I say protection, it doesn't mean that it is going to cure you from virus and bacteria. The thing is that once you take these fruits and vegetables, your immune system will improve, your respiratory system will be strong in the sense that you will be having boosted immune system, a strong immune system to fight and to face the virus and bacteria. Just like today, all the statistical data worldwide shows that this COVID-19 disease, which is caused by coronavirus, is mild or without symptom in those people, male or female, who are regularly taking citrus fruits. So if we say the fruits or vegetables, especially fruits, to protect from infection, is very clear that what I mean is citrus fruits, and these citrus fruits are lemon, orange, tangerine, and the vegetables are onion, garlic, and ginger. Also, one is that is your carrot, which is rich in beta carotene, that is provitamin A. Mainly the citrus fruit. And the latest report says in India and Japan that those people whose blood is rich in vitamin C, there is less chance of getting severe or acute viral attack, that is coronavirus attack, and getting COVID-19 disease. And here there are three group of people. First thing is the small children below the age of 10. They have such type of protein formation in their throat and respiratory system that this virus cannot be easily absorbed. Ferritin is not there enough to support. Then the other group, they are young, youth, adolescent. They have very strong immune system, and their immune system can fight and neutralize the virus and bacteria. And especially once they are taking more vitamin C, more fruit, then it is very easy. Then third group of people are senior citizens who are above 60. Even in that above 60 age group, there are two group of people. Some who are suffering from arthritis, osteoarthritis means due to deficiency of calcium, or that is your inflammation, and due to that inflammation they are keeping on anti-inflammatory drug and more vitamin D, more vitamin C. They got coronavirus infection, COVID-19 disease, but it was mild and 99% they recovered. They were not subjected to ventilator because their body system is already having enough antibodies, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory drugs are already there in their body system to take care. So that is also one plus point. And those very old people whose lifestyle was poor, they are already suffering from some organ ailments and some disease like pneumonia, like some liver disease or cardiovascular disease. They are really in real danger, and they get hyperinflammation of lung. So this fruits and vegetables, if I say, please high calorie food is not going to protect you from infection, either it is bacterial or viral. Unless you have enough nutritional components in it. If I say nutritional component means it must be rich in antioxidants, in vitamins, in folate means all B complex group, vitamin C, vitamin A, and also in minerals like iron, copper, zinc, selenium, chromium. So they are actually real fighter for your virus and bacterial infection. So here I have already discussed all these some fruits and vegetables, and the most important one I am taking is that is tangerine, and this tangerine in Indian language it is called santara. Actually, it is very popular citrus fruit among children. The reason is that the moment you peel, skin is very soft and you will get small segments just after peeling, and this is more sweet as compared to orange. And after peeling in orange, we are not getting the small segment, that factor. And second, it is rich in good fiber. Good fiber means that it is very easily digestible. That's why this tangerine is very popular, starting from children to old age people, because it can be easily digested. It is rich in vitamin C as usual, and most of the phytochemicals in tangerine, santara, is similar like oranges, because they all belong to citrus fruit. It is rich in folate, means it is having variety of vitamin B complexes, and that's why it is very good for those people who are having some neurological problem, means either they are suffering from dementia. Dementia means short missing memory, or they are suffering from Alzheimer's, that is long missing memory. For those people, it is helpful. It can reduce that condition, because these folates, they are responsible of maintaining very good blood vessels, and also they can enhance the RBC, and a lot of blood can reach to brain. Actually, this problem comes because in most of the cases, in all organs, if blood flow is not enough, then we can get such type of disorder. And also tangerine, the latest research paper shows that it also stops the proliferation of bad cells in the body, especially the abnormal cells, means cancerous cells, or the formation of thrombose, or the formation of tumor. It is the latest research that tangerine is very good for stopping the proliferation of toxic material or cells in our body. Tangerine is very good for pregnant women, because it is rich in folates, in iron, in vitamin A, and that helps the fetus normal growth, and it can also increase the quantity of red blood cells. So here tangerine, that is in India known as santara, and its botanical name is Citrus reticulata blanco, and it belongs to family Rutaceae. And all like what I have given for students to write, because all these I have already explained, only some few additions are there. It is easy to peel, and it can split into small segments, and that's why it is very popular among children. And also it is less sour as compared to oranges, and it is more sweeter. Second, it may help to improve cognitive functioning. Cognitive functioning means it is rich in folates, potassium, and various antioxidants. All together is called cognitive functioning, and because of this property, it is very good to protect you from viral and bacterial infection. It provides neurological benefits also, and that is it helps for pregnant women, good source of vitamin B complex like folates. That is why it is very important for pregnant, because folates, they are very important for pregnant women, and it helps in the formation of neural tube in that is your perinatal babies. It is very much helpful to form the neural tubes, and also more red blood cells. That's why when some infant born, they immediately have the jaundice, means yellow color. That is called natural jaundice, and it is because it shows that that lady was not keeping on very good nutrition of the fruits and vegetables which are rich in folates. And then it can help to maintain blood pressure because it is rich in potassium, and this potassium is very important for blood pressure. And one medium size tangerine contains 200 milligram of potassium, and that indicates that it is rich source of potassium, and it can balance your blood pressure, and which helps to blood vessels also. Potassium also helps the blood vessels so that blood vessels will be smooth, and the rough platform will not be given for blood clotting. A medium size contains 200 milligram of potassium, which helps blood vessels and can improve heart health. These tangerines can help heart health because it is packed with very powerful antioxidant, that is vitamin C, fiber, vitamin B6 and potassium. And this it helps to fight infections. It contains 53% of vitamin C daily requirement. Means if you take one medium size tangerine santra, your daily requirement of vitamin C 50% is covered. It means that if from morning till evening, if you take two santra tangerine, it means your requirement of vitamin C is okay. You have already got that nutrient. Daily requirement, and the water, it is a water soluble vitamin, that vitamin C, and that water soluble vitamin we are giving from natural source like fruit and vegetables. Good for healthy hair and skin. It is also good for healthy hair because it contains collagen. That collagen is a very important essential protein to maintain healthy hair as well as skin. So with this I will stop my advice as a medicinal chemist. Please go on taking preventive measures, and these preventive measures can help you to get rid of viral and bacterial attack. And even if attacks are there, once you are keeping on good nutritional fruit and vegetable, it will be either mild or without symptom. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.